Healthcare workflows are broken. Disconnected systems, endless paperwork, and inefficient coordination make it so much harder for providers to deliver care efficiently. What if you could simplify your workflow one connection at a time? Whether it's referral tracking, inventory management, patient coordination, or reimbursement support, you can bring all of this together in a single, easy-to-use system thanks to Hub Healthcare, the only platform designed to do this. Most healthcare platforms force you to change the way you work. Hub adapts to you. It seamlessly integrates with your existing tools, eliminating inefficiencies without requiring a complete system overhaul. Whether you're in a hospital, private practice, surgery center, or working with vendors, Hub makes your processes faster, clearer, and easier to manage. Instead of juggling multiple systems, Hub connects your data, people, and workflows in one secure, HIPAA-compliant platform. Care teams reduce coordination time by up to 40%, eliminating delays in scheduling and communication. Administrative workloads decrease with 25% less time wasted on manual processes like tracking referrals and completing documentation. Organizations see immediate savings, with some clients reducing costs by hundreds of thousands of dollars annually by optimizing workflows. With Hub, practices move faster, teams work smarter, and patients get the care they need without unnecessary delays. Hub isn't another complicated system that takes months to implement. We make it simple. Assess your workflow, we review your current systems and challenges to identify where Hub can help. Get a custom report. You receive a tailored plan designed to streamline your operations. Launch in days. Our team configures Hub to fit your needs with no major system changes required. No hassle, no downtime, just smarter, more efficient healthcare management. Ready to go within a week. Hub Healthcare is already transforming the way organizations handle scheduling, compliance, and patient coordination. Now it's your turn. See how Hub can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and help your team focus on what really matters: delivering quality care. Visit hub.healthcare to schedule a demo today.